So here is a quick guide on how to do SEO using AI to find hidden keyword opportunities. Click on my link below to start your Moz Pro free trial and try this tool yourself. Once you click on my link, you'll be brought to the Moz website. And here on the website, if you go over to the top, you can view all their available products, their free SEO tools, and also a Learn SEO section from where you can learn a lot about SEO. Now, if you scroll through, you will get to see different sections like Manage or Track a Site, Domain Overview, and then we have Link Research, Competitive Research, and AI Content Brief. Further down, you will get to see more Moz products, such as Moz Logo, Moz API, and Academy. But for this video, let's go over to Keyword Explorer and click on Check Keyword. You will then be brought to this page. This is where you can explore any keyword. Just type in whatever that you want. For example, health. And once you search for it, you will get to see the overview for health, such as monthly volume, organic CTR, difficulty, and minimum DA. And if you scroll down further, you will get to see more details about this keyword. You can check through these in order to make the best decision for your SEO. And scrolling down even further, we can see the SERP analysis for the keyword. You can go through these. You can go through all the info in order to understand how this keyword is ranking. Same way, you can go to the search bar and search for any other keyword. For instance, let's try searching for dogs. And here, it's set for United States only. You can change it to your desired location where you're targeting. And after searching for it, it will start loading up the data for this keyword. Sometimes it may take a couple of seconds. So as you can see, we can now view the monthly volume, organic CTR, difficulty, and minimum DA for this keyword, and also the primary search intent and SERP features. Same way, scroll down further, and you can see keyword suggestions for this word. It will display top suggestions and also questions. Similar to the previous keyword, we get the SERP analysis for this keyword as well. And using Moz Pro, you get a lot of tools available on the left panel that you can use for your SEO as well. And if you head over to SEO resources on the bottom left, you'll be taken to this page, from where you can learn about SEO in detail. Here you can find a lot of free courses that you can take, which will boost your overall SEO knowledge. So this way, you can easily do SEO using AI.